Hi everyone. Let us study about functions of statistics today. This topic is from lesson 1 introduction. Yesterday already we discussed regarding plural sense and singular sense. Today let us analyze functions of statistics. What are the major functions of statistics? Basically there are six functions are there regarding statistics. Means the functions means statistics can be used for all these purposes or the usefulness of these statistics. First of all, statistics simplifies complexities. Yes, because as we know, when we collect data from the field, definitely the data will be in a complex format. Means it will be a raw data. So yesterday we discussed regarding the editing, editing and classification, and editing, classifying, and tabulating of the data. Yesterday we discussed. The same way, this group of informations, if it is there with us, it is not possible to use for any purpose. So it is difficult to use. So in this situation, if it is in the correct statistical format, definitely there are many ways to get conclusion from the data. Means, say for example, there are 20 students mark is given there. Starting from, remember that it's a paper of 80 marks. So mark starts from 10 till 80, it will be there. So it is given in a paper and totally. And a common person, he will not get any idea regarding the statistical matters. So in this regard, what the statistics can do from the total marks, suppose somebody is asking that what is the average mark of this one? Yes, in statistics we have solution. Total all the marks, suppose the marks are given, it is 35, 45, 65, 15, 20, 30, 40, 55, 75, 80 itself, 79, like the different 20 students mark may be varying from different levels, means 10 to 80 or from 0 to 80 it will be there. So all the out of these 20 marks, what we have to do, we have to total all the marks and then divide by the number, then we will get an average. So total divided by number is the average. So we can say yes, this is the average mark of this 20 students. So the average mark may be, few cases may be more than the poorest score. Is it? So that we can say the average mark of these 20 students, it is this one. So in such a way, statistics reduces the complexities of the individual. Is it? Or it is, if it is present in the form of a diagram, people can easily understand, oh, these are the ups and downs of these situations and all. Or such a way, any of this device we are using to clarify this one, statistics helps the people to understand or to remove their complexities regarding the information. This is first function. Second function is that statistics expresses facts in numbers. Yes, it's correct. Statistics expresses facts in numbers. It should be the first function, because numbers means, as I told you yesterday, statistics explains quantitative figures, numbers, not the qualitative aspects. Is it? So means only numbers. Yes, just now in our example I told you 20 students marks, correct? Not 20 students attitudes or behavior. Is it? So these marks are in numbers, in figures, maybe single digit or 2 digits. Is it? So such a way an ordinary person can easily understand the situation. Or as for example, other example, suppose we are saying that the population of the country increases. Yes, that's a fact. But if it is mentioned, yes, from last 2001 census and 2010 census, there are changes. There is a change of 2.5 or 2.6% or 3.5%. That percentage is given there. Yes, then we can understand. Definitely, this much increased the population of the country in this 10 years of 1 decade period. We can say like that. So it should be in numbers. The fact should be given in numbers. Then persons can easily understand the situations. Otherwise, it will be confusing one for the common people. Right? Got it? And then let us we can move to the third point. Third point is that statistics presents the data in a condensed form. Condensed. This word is very familiar. Condensed milk. Condensed means it is in a comprised way it is given. Condensed milk is different from the fresh milk or long life milk. It is used for making sweet items and all. So means condensed format, many things added and made in a very tough format. The same way in statistics. So for example, suppose 50 students or the previous 20 students mark. That same mark is with us, the raw mark is with us. That mark, it is we can present in a condensed format. Means that in a table, first column we can heading we can write marks of that one. Second heading we can write number of students, and accordingly in a format, mark starts from 0 to 10. 10 to 20, like that we can make the class. This is continuous class. The detailed study we will do, we will conduct in our coming lessons regarding inclusive, exclusive. So now for the understanding, we can write 10 to 20, 11 to 0 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 20, till that we can make the class. And we can write the responses. Okay, how many students they got 0 to 10 marks, like that, in such a way, and total number of the students will be 20 we will get. So such a way we can make in a stipulated format. So that is the matter behind this condensed format. Otherwise, what is the situation? This data, it will be confusing one for a common student or a common person if it is not made in condensed format. Clear now? Means unless until it will be confusing one if you are not doing like that. So the next fourth function of this statistics is that statistics enlarges human knowledge and experience. Yes, it increases the knowledge of the human beings. Yes, when we study the statistical information only, we came to know that, oh, this much, the situation was this much. Because suppose, for example, regarding a catastrophe, flood or anything, when we are getting the exact number of the people affected this catastrophe, only we are only thinking that, oh, the catastrophe was this much dangerous, is it? Or now also this novel coronavirus is spreading all over the world. Then every day when we are watching television only, these are the statistical information. We are getting the clear-cut information. So how serious the situation of the world. And let us pray to the Almighty to survive, to succeed all these hardships of our life, whatever it is that. Let Almighty help us to survive the situations. Anyway, so statistics enlarges the human knowledge and their experience. Because from the marks easily we can understand, from the production of the nation we can understand the economic progress of the nation. Not only for the policymakers, for the common people also it is possible, from the newspapers, from television. So when the newsreaders are sharing the information regarding the situations, it is easily understandable for a common man. And the fifth function is that statistics, it is very helpful for the policymakers. Policymakers means the nation builders. The rulers of the country, when they are framing the policy, they can make the policy according to the situation. Simple example. Suppose the poverty, because due to the poverty of the country, people, they are suffering from food and all. So, and some statistical statements are there. That is why only after the Bengal famine and all of 1942, when our country got independence from the British Britain and all, our policy makers gave emphasis, first priority in the 5-year plan, to find out the solution for the food shortage. Means that is why we gave emphasis in first 5-year plan, the agricultural sector. And in continuation also only we that green revolution and also, means it is very helpful for the policy makers to frame their policies according to the developmental perspectives of the nation. Because it is these statistical figures helping them too much, is it? And the last one, sixth one, is that it is very helpful in prediction or forecasting the situations. Yes, so we can predict that. So this is a population condition of our nation, 125 crores of 2010 census. Now in 2020, definitely we can predict that our population will cross the number of 135 crores, because the annual growth we can calculate. So annual growth into 10 times, that is the 10 years growth. So such a way we can predict regarding the population. The same way regarding the agricultural productivity, regarding the industrial productivity, everything we can predict considering the previous informations, previous data given in presented published form. We can use that. Considering those data, we can comment that yes, for the next year we are expecting, these are the targets, we are expecting this much increase in agriculture, this much progress in industrial sector, the development of this tertiary sector will be not more than this range, and not such a way we can predict, and we can forecast that also. If it is a situation, yes, future it will be, the matter will be settled like this. So these are the major functions of statistics. Let us sum up. Once again, statistics simplifies the complexities. Second one, statistics expresses facts in numbers. Third one, statistics presents data in condensed form. And fourth one, statistics enlarges human knowledge and experience. Fifth one, statistics is very helpful for the policy makers, policy framing and all. And last one is that statistics is helpful in prediction of the policy matters of the nation or forecasting of the economic conditions. Thank you for watching my class. Simple reminder, don't go outside during this period. Stay in your house, take necessary precautions. Tomorrow I'll come with a new topic, that is importance of statistics. Okay, thank you once again.